So in this discussion, we will discuss the topic angles of elevation and depression. Okay po? So without further ado, let's go with the discussion. Okay. So when the object is higher than the person, the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of elevation. Okay po? So kung ito yung tao, ayusin natin. Pangit yung tao. Ito yung tao. Ngayon, may tinitingnan siya sa taas. Kunwari, kite. Okay, ito yung kite. Lumilipad. Okay? Yung angle daw between the line of sight, technically ito yung line of sight niya kasi tinitingnan niya nga. Tapos daw yung horizontal, ang tawag natin sa angle na to is angle of elevation. Okay po? Now, the object is lower, when the object is lower than the person, baliktad naman, dito naman yung person is lower than the person, sabihin natin fish, yan, ako may isip eh. Okay, fish. The angle between the line of sight, siyempre titingnan niyo yan, line of sight. Okay. Kasi natin yung drawing, pangit. Okay, ito yung line of sight. And the horizontal line, of course. So, galing siyempre sa tao yan. Yung angle na yan is tinatawag natin angle of depression. Okay po? So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawa dito horizontal line. So, sabihin natin dalawang horizontal line. Yung isa, nandito. Ito yung line of sight niya. Now, yung isa naman, line of sight. Yan. Ito namang isa is nandito sa taas. Ito naman yung line of sight niya. Okay po? So, kung mapapansin natin, ito yung angle of depression. Ito yung angle of elevation. Kung iisa lang naman yung pinag-uusapan nating line of sight, technically, the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Okay po? By the way, this discussion is the continuation of the topic, trigonometric ratios. Kasi ito yung part na kung saan makikita natin yung halaga ng topic ng trigonometric ratios in real life situation. Okay? So without further ado, let's go with the example po. Huwag kalimutan na, the angle of depression is congruent or equal to the angle of elevation, considering that we are talking about only one line of sight. Okay? So, in example number 1, David. So, si David po, sabihin natin si David, is standing 12 meters away. Yung layo niya is 12 meters away from an 8 meter from an 8 meter high flagpole. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nawawala yung lines minsan. Siguro may napindot lang or something. Or nasobrahan sa din. So, ito yung flagpole natin. Okay. Ngayon, his eye level, ito yung eye niya na. So, ibig sabihin, yung taas ng mata niya from the ground, above the ground, is 2 meters. Yan nga yung sukat ng flagpole, 8. Okay pa? So, yung haba nito hanggang dito sa dulo is 8 meters. Okay pa? So, the question here is, find the angle of elevation of the top of the flagpole from his eye level. So, ito yung mata niya. Siyempre, titingnan yan. Yung line of sight natin dito. Okay? Now, itong line na to, yung tinatawag nating horizontal line. Okay? So, sa mga kailangan nyo mapansin dito, yung horizontal line natin is equal lang naman sa layo niya from the flagpole. So, this is actually equal to 12 meters then. Okay po? So, ito yung tatawagan nating angle of elevation. Kasi nga, angle siya ng elevation. Isa pa sa mga mapapansin nyo dito, this is actually a right triangle na form natin. Ngayon, ang question is, gaano kahaba yung opposite ng angle of elevation natin? Hindi natin pwede consider si 8. Kasi si 8, yung taas siya ng flagpole. Okay, from the ground siya to the top of the flagpole. So, kailangan natin i-minus yung part na to. Ang tanong is, gaano ba to kataas? Ito lang naman siya, congruent siya dito. 2 meters. Okay pa? So, 8 minus 2 is 6. So, the answer is 6 meters. Ito yung taas nito. Okay pa? Hindi kasama yung 2 sa baba. 6 meters. Okay, kung maalala nyo dun sa discussion natin sa 6 trigonometric ratios, meron tayong tinatawag na TOA. Okay? Ito siya. So, ang question is, anong gagamitin natin sa tatlong yan? Alin dyan ang gagamitin natin? Kung mapansin nyo po dito, ito yung reference angle natin E kasi siya yung hinahanap. Opposite niya yung 6 at adjacent niya si 12. So, ibig sabihin, gagamitin natin si TOA. Tangent E is equal to opposite. Yun yung opposite, 6. Adjacent, 12. Okay? Over 12. So, para makuha natin, i-simplify muna natin ito para mas madali. So, tan E is equal to 1/2. Okay? Para matanggal natin si tan, kasi si E lang naman kailangan natin hanapin. Multiply natin both side by the the reciprocal of tan E. By the way, to find the reciprocal, so yung sign, ang reciprocal na sign is sine raised to negative 1. Yung cosine naman, ang reciprocal niya naman is cosine raised to negative 1. Tapos si tan naman, ang kanyang reciprocal is tan negative 1 or raised to negative 1. Kasi yung ito po, hindi yan equal. Okay? Kasi ito po, equal to sa 1 over sine. Ito naman, equal po to sa 1 over cosine. At ito din ay equal sa 1 over tan or tangent. Okay po? Ito yung reciprocals nito. Okay? So, sa calculator, madali lang naman hanapin yan. Erase ko lang to para at least sagot tayo dito na maayos. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo po dito, tan E. Okay, so si tan E, tatanggal natin siya. So, multiply natin to sa tan raised to negative 1. Both po. Tan negative 1. So, cancel to. Cancel din to. Matitira si E. Ayan. May mga napansin akong calculator. Yung iba, kinoconsider nila as negative 1/2 tan raised to negative 1. May ganon. Tapos may lumalabas pa rin naman sagot. Yung iba naman, hindi yan tinatanggap. May error yan. So, ang sinusulat nila is tan raised to negative 1 times 1/2 or of 1/2. So, try natin sa calculator to. Shift tan 1 will be 2. So, the answer is 26. Okay, so yung value ni E or yung angle of elevation natin is 26.565. Ito na yung sagot. Okay? Kung tama yung nakuha nyo, good. Kung hindi, pakiulit na lang. Makuha nyo yung tamang sagot dyan. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Ito yung ginamit ko, by the way. So, yun lang naman. Move tayo sa next question. So, sa number 2 question, a building is 30 meters tall, cast a shadow that is 38 meters long. So, meron daw isang building. Pangit yung building ko. So, gawin natin maayos yung building. Ito siya yung building. So, malilit lang yung mga bintana. So, gawin natin siya. Okay. So, yan siya. Ito rin yung building. Now, ang taas niya is 30 meters. Okay? Now, nag-cast siya ng shadow. Yung shadow, no? Sabihin natin nandito yung araw. So, siyempre doon siya magka-cast ng shadow. Okay? Ang layo doon is 38 meters. Find the angle of elevation. Ito yung angle of elevation natin. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, halos same lang naman siya doon sa una. Pero ang pagkakaiba lang is, iba na yung numbers. Okay? So, right angle pa rin naman ito. Don't worry. So, gagamitin natin dito si tan. Okay? Kasi opposite and adjacent. So, tan E is equal to 30 over 38. Okay? So, simplify natin. Divide by 2. Try natin. Tan E is equal to 15 over 38. Kalahati ng 38 is 19. Okay, 19. Yan, para matanggal to, times ulit natin siya by tan raised to negative 1. Actually, di ko alam yung entire name niya talaga. Pero, yun yung basa ko. Tan negative 1. Tan. So, cancel to, cancel to. So, E is equal to tan raised to negative 1 of 15 over 19. So, type mo ito siya sa calculator para makita natin yung sagot. 15 divided by 19. So, the answer is, E is equal to 38.29. Ito yung sagot natin. Okay? So, try natin yung third example. Okay po. So, sa third example, kung mapapansin niyo po, the angle of depression. Given yung angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse. So, drawing muna tayo ng lighthouse. Ganun. Sarado siya. Tapos, ayan. Parang, ano yan? Tapos, ilaw. So, pangit yung drawing. So, lagyan natin ganun lang. Okay. So, here, ito yung lighthouse natin. The angle of depression daw is 45 degrees. So, ito yung sabihin natin, ito yung angle natin. Ang pangit itong line. Lagyan natin na mas maganda. Okay, yan. Ito yung angle of depression natin. That's 45. Okay? If the lighthouse is 96 meters high, so it does is 96 meters. So how far is the lighthouse from the ship? So, ibig sabihin may ship dito. So, bangka na lang gawin natin. Or sige, ship na lang din. Maliit na ship. Okay, so ito yung siyempre yung water. Tapos lagyan natin dito ng ano. So, water siya, water. Yan. Paganda natin ng konti para at least makatotohanan. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung taas ng lighthouse is 96. Ibig sabihin, ito po, ang haba din nito is actually 96. Okay? Ang question is, how far from the lighthouse is the ship? So, gaano kalayo? So, ito yung tanong. Technically, yung sukat nitong haba nito is ito rin nasa taas. So, yun din yung tanong. Okay? So, meron tayo dito right triangle actually. Okay? Yan siya. Diba? So, ibig sabihin ito yung reference angle natin. Ito yung given, yung opposite niya at yung tawag dyan? Adjacent niya. Opposite, adjacent. Okay, so tan parang yung gagamitin natin. Ngayon, lagi bang tan yung gagamitin? Depende kung ano yung given. Minsan kasi, hypotenuse yung given. So, tan, dito in this case, may 45 na tayo. May angle na tayo. Tan 45 is equal to 96 over yung question mark natin. Okay? So, let's go with this part. Cross multiplication. Yun yung best na gagawin mo dyan. Okay pa? Cross multiplication. So, question mark, tan 45 is equal to 96 times 1 is still 96. Okay? So, para matanggal yan, divide natin both side by tan 45. Okay, tan 45. Kung mapapansin nyo, bakit tan, hindi tan raised to negative 1? Kasi may kasamang angle. Doon kasi sa una, walang kasamang angle. So, kung mapapansin nyo dyan, diba? Tas, hindi kasama si angle, yung e. Kasi siya yung hinahanap. Ngayon, dahil kasama na yung angle, or given yung angle, tan lang yung multiply, ay, tan 45 yung i-divide natin. Okay? So, question mark yung matitira is equal to 96 over tan 45. Okay? So, type natin sa calculator. Paano lalabas? Check natin. 96 over tan 45 is equal to, nag-error, 96 over tan 45. Wala pala kasi yun. Okay, so the answer is 96. Okay, so question mark is equal to 96. Okay? Huwag kalimutan na kasi minsan sa calc hindi tinatanggap. So lagyan nyo ng parenthesis. Okay, try natin yung diretso lang. 96 divided by tan 45. 96 ngayon. So ito yung final answer. Ito yung layo ng ship sa lighthouse. So yun lang naman. Sana nakatulong. And try to do more exercises. If you have some questions, you can type it in the comment section. Thank you.